Well, it's Aussie, so it's...
How cool is it, like, riding with 100 people and
so
talking to all everyone?
Like, all of, like, Colorado, Canada, New Hampshire, some of my friends, Belgium, some of my friends from the UK are doing it as well, so...
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. I'm getting dropped. I'm getting dropped on my own ride. What? Look at that.
Oh my god, that is crazy. You got people from Germany, the UK. Oh, you got one from Japan. How good is the fan?
I need this fan. That is an incredible fan. I might say it like there's not a chance I could have done this in Australia in the heat without a fan like that. Like, that's insane. It's so
Say it to
hot.
the camera again. How important is that fan?
Like, because it's so hot, like, not a chance. That makes mine look so bad. I mean, they're expensive, but that feels like actual... Do you have wind when you're on the road?
Yeah.
Feels like that. Rather, I feel like mine, you get like a warm air.
Like a sea
Whereas
breeze.
That is like cold air. Yeah. I am absolutely buzzing.
I've been watching your YouTube
Oh,
channel.
really?
It's nice to see you in real.
Oh, really?
What's your name, man?
Ken.
Ken, where are you from?
Ken, Melbourne. Born
Melbourne.
in China.
Born in
from
China,
Melbourne,
yeah. If we had another bike, you could hop on with Katie there.
Yeah.
Had a little crash, didn't we?
Yeah, but I don't know how to get it back. And so it like on my phone it just froze, and so I had to like leave the event, and then once you've left the event you can't get back in the event. So I was just trying to refresh it to get back into it, so I feel so disappointed. Hello? So I'm just trying to speak to Richard now to figure out. Okay, let me try that. Right, I'm trying to find someone now who's in about 13. Greetings to another video. So this morning was the first group Zwift ride, which was incredible. I can't believe how many of you lovely people came and joined and wanted to ride with me, so thank you so much. Really sorry about the Wi-Fi issue. So basically I'm filming in here, and this is where I was basically on the bike, and a load of people came in and are obviously connected to the Wi-Fi. It's free Wi-Fi in here. At that point, when all the people came in to do a ride, my avatar just crashed because I think the internet just stopped. So really sorry. There'll be so many more rides though coming up, so hopefully we'll get like the whole hour. It won't just be like 30-40 minutes. I was trying so long to try and get back on, but it's just one of those things, so I'm really sorry. Apparently one of the guys said that it got a bit spicy after I left and people were racing, so at least people got a good workout out of it. So thank you so much again for coming along. So also I've got to say a very quick thank you to Wahoo for they basically came in early to set up so that I could ride their bike and set me up on Zwift, and just really grateful for it. Also, I've mentioned this in my Instagram. This is not sponsored, by the way. That fan is insane. It is so good. Like, it's hot this morning. It was like proper cold air. I think I might have to try and get my hands on one when I'm back in the UK because I'm so impressed with it. So yeah, I thought I would take you on like a day in the life of what I'm up to in Australia, just as a general day. And this is actually the first day that I've not got up and we've done like a big ride or a climb or something. But the Zwift was enough. We got 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes riding, 30 minutes on that, and now we're gonna ride out. I should probably go and get some breakfast. Then we're gonna ride out to Glenelg and watch the men's race set off. So I will see you shortly. Guess the card.
Sushi game.
This card, you gotta guess which one it is. I think it's 6 of diamonds.
I'm gonna go 7 of hearts.
Oh, Jack of
I got
hearts.
the heart. Right, what's this one?
That one is the 9 of clubs.
Yes, spades. Oh my god!
No way! Oh my god. That is so
I told you you can
freaky.
read minds. That is so weird.
Okay, let's go and get food at the beach.
Do lotto as well.
So it's just like another, I mean, we've already done about 20k outside of Coles, and it's actually cold. I've had to put a jumper on. It's actually pretty chilly, which I think is pretty unusual for this time of the year, because everyone that I've spoken to who's Australian said that every time the tour Down Under is on, it's always really, really hot. So this is like nice UK weather, but it's chilly because I've been used to the heat. What did you get? How can you eat that for breakfast? What is it? Black bean? I'm gonna try. Can I try it?
Black bean, chili, and cilantro. Corn.
Ice cream on them. So smells now at the start. It's like a couple of minutes before everyone kicks off. But it's a neutralised start, so we're just gonna see the riders go past. I love this song! The word of Adelaide just for this song. When I was a kid, it took them a week to get me on the sand without my socks on because I used to cry. Because I didn't like the sand in my toes.
I don't like it in my arse crack. I wonder if she's going to ask those two seagulls to get out of the way.
Those seagulls were amazing. This is the song. This is the song. We're having a bit of a Tour Down Under party.
You ever see Jimmy Barnes, the Screaming Cowboy?
No.
Oh, Katie. Look it
No.
up. This is something special.
Go on then. Go on.
You've never
What's the song then? What is it? What is it?
It's like Jimmy Barnes. He did some music.
Just a screaming cowboy.
It's good, isn't it?
Is that all it is?
It's like a big song, like.
That's so good. Play it. I want to play it again. I'll turn it on. Look what he's carrying around.
The Jack of Hearts.
The Jack of Hearts.
Beanbag.
Who doesn't take socks off though? That's what I like. I've taken shoes and socks off so I can brush them off and have no. But look, what are you thinking, man?
It's an Irish thing.
Oh my god, I love the sea. I just got all excited all of a sudden, just like ran down. Oh, it's cold. Also, I've just realised that my Wahoo is in my back pocket and it keeps clicking it on and off. So if you see a Strava ride and it shows that my bike is running to the sea, I have not done that. I didn't even want to bring it on the sand because I don't want to get any crap in the all the bearings and stuff. God, so back in the events village and we're just watching, it was like the last 10k of the race.
Was getting dropped. He did put
Now is 700
representing.
some tricky bends and roundabouts as we race down to the finish.
What were you thinking as the locks were falling on your lap?
It was. It's funny. Normally in the hairdresser, you got the mirror there, so you can see what's going on. I couldn't see, so it didn't feel too crazy until I looked across at Lockie, I was like, oh my god, that's happening to me.
What's the code? What the code is? 81.
Then we approached the client and that was full commitment.
Yeah, that was their plan. I spoke to Durbo at the start of the...
That's like, to be a bit of an injustice.